everyone. Thanks for joining me today. It's been a while since I've done a pour or anything. I've been getting pretty lazy actually. So I thought I'd come down and try something tonight, and I'll still use blues tonight, but I thought I'd add some green in there and see what happens. So tonight's colors are Thalo Blue by Academy, Primary Blue by Liquitex Basics, Studio Acrylics Iridescent Blue Green, and Studio Acrylics again Iridescent Green Yellow. So I'm gonna try some green today in my pour and see what happens. I been using a lot of blues and stuff. Oh, and this is Artist Loft, the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. So all my paints have just paint and Floetrol. That's it. No silicone, no water. There's no ratio. I don't measure it. I just add enough Floetrol to make it to the fluid consistency that I like. So just gonna pour my white, spread it out here with my awesome omelet turning spatula. This thing is great for spreading out all the paint. You can find it on Amazon for those of you in Canada. The brand is OXO, OXO. For those of you in Canada, I purchased this at Home Outfitters. Okay, so I've covered the top. I'm just gonna make sure all my edges are covered. All right. Okay. So I'm going to torch my bubbles in my white. There we go. All right, so I think I am going to start with the primary blue. And I think I'm gonna do it a little differently, and I'm gonna start in the middle, not down here in the corner like I always do. So see what happens if I start in the middle. So I'll do that. Then I will add the iridescent blue-green, followed by the phthalo blue, and iridescent green-yellow. All right, move these off to the side. I will put my cap back on my squeeze bottle here. All right, so I will add my white. Okay. I will torch all my bubbles. I was debating whether I should use the hair dryer or try and blow it. I've seen quite a few people blowing the paint without a hair dryer. So I thought, actually, let me just see what happens. I'll try it. All right. I think I want to use the hair dryer actually. Let's see. Do I? Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Huh, who says you need a hair dryer? Although I am dizzy, I'll tell you that. Little lightheaded, that's for sure. So it looks good though. There's still a lot of paint in the center though. What do you think? Green has kind of turned into like almost like a goldy kind of color. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it. Let's torch it. Actually, let me add some white around my edges here. Sorry guys, I'm not too talkative tonight. Must be tired. All right, so I think I'm gonna leave it. Let's torch it and see what happens. So I'll bring you in so you can see. I want that shadow there, so I'll just move it over this way. I don't know, guys, what do you think? I do like the green, but I think I should have tried it with the blow dryer or the hair dryer to see what would have happened. I'm watching the hockey game. Playoffs, baby, game 1. Toronto Maple Leafs 3, Boston Bruins 1. So, good job, go Leafs, go. Sorry, had to throw that in. All right, so I'm gonna leave that one, and I'm gonna actually try another one, and I'm gonna use the hair dryer this time. So, should I do anything else to this? I think we're good. Make sure my edges are all good before I put it on my drying rack. Wouldn't want any bare spots. There's a spot here in the corner. And that is good to go. Okay. So, just gonna take my stick and scrape off any excess off the bottom. Don't want it dripping everywhere. All right, I'm gonna move this over to my dust-free zone / drying rack. 1 second. All right, so I'm gonna try that again. And this time I'm gonna use the hair dryer. So, lucky for me, I have another canvas ready. So these are 8x8s, by the way. So just 8x8 canvas. All right, spread out the white. Alrighty. Got my edges. All right. So let's see what happens with the hair dryer and see if it is better. So I'm going to pop the bubbles. All right, so let's do that again. I think I'm gonna keep the order the same just to see what the difference is. So let's try that again. Keep everything the same way, and we'll use the hair dryer and see what happens. All right, and the green on top. Okay, let's get our white. All right, torch all the bubbles. All right, let's see what happens with the hair dryer, guys. It's like I got some gunk here in my paint. All right, let's blow it out. Pretty. Look at those cells in there. I like it better. Hair dryer, 100% all the way. It's like it's almost like, here, let me turn it around, watch. Look at that. It's like an iris or something. Isn't that pretty? So, what do I want to do with it? I'm afraid to do anything with it. Let's see, need some white paint here. All along here. And some here. Yeah, I don't think I want to touch it. I wish there was a little more blue coming right here where the white is. And I wonder if I could just blow that without ruining it. Yeah, the key is to blow really, really, really gently. Don't blast it with your lungs. Really, really, really soft. That's pretty. I like it. I love the green in the middle. It's crazy. Yeah. There. I'm going to leave it like so. You know what? I blew that and I don't like it. So, I never know when to stop. I should have like a, just like, don't do it. All right. Let's fix it just a bit. Okay. It's so pretty. I really like it. The green's really cool, although it really looks nothing like the green in the cup. Like, I mean, you probably can't tell from the camera angle, but it's actually kind of like a, I can't even tell. It's almost like it's kind of goldy. I don't know. Get rid of that blue there. All right, let's torch it. Get some cells going. That's it. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up so you guys can see it closer. Is it focusing? Looks like it. So there you have it. One done blowing with my mouth. The other one done with the hairdryer, and hairdryer wins, in my opinion, hands down. So definitely love the hairdryer. So I'm just gonna make sure my corners are all covered. Yep. Scrape off all the excess underneath. Make sure there's no spots, bare spots on my canvas. And that's it. So that's it, guys. Quick little video. Quick. 17 minutes. I just noticed that. Not so quick. That's it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts, comments. Thank you for all your love and support. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and hit the notification bell so that you guys are notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.